Spectacled bears, scientifically known as Tremarctos ornatus, are a species of bear native to South America. They are also commonly referred to as Andean bears or Andean short-faced bears. Spectacled bears have a stocky build with a relatively short, muscular body. They have strong limbs, allowing them to navigate their forested habitats and climb trees proficiently. In terms of coloration, spectacled bears have variable fur colors ranging from black to dark brown. Some individuals may also have a reddish or chestnut tint to their fur. However, it's important to note that the coloration can vary among individuals and populations. The distinct facial markings resembling spectacles or eyeglasses are a notable feature of these bears. The markings can be white, yellow, or beige, and their shape can vary. Some bears may have a complete circular or oval shape around their eyes, while others may have broken or incomplete markings. Males typically measure between 1.5 to 1.8 meters in length from nose to tail. They stand about 0.8 to 1 meter tall at the shoulder. In terms of weight, adult males can range from 100 to 155 kilograms. Females are generally smaller than males. They typically measure around 1.4 to 1.7 meters in length and have a shoulder height of about 0.6 to 0.8 meters. The weight of adult females ranges from 70 to 82 kilograms. Spectacled bears are primarily solitary creatures. They typically live and forage alone, occupying a home range that they defend from other bears. However, they may come together temporarily during the breeding season or when there is an abundance of food resources. Spectacled bears are known to be crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. However, they can also be active during the day or night depending on factors such as food availability, human disturbance, and climate conditions. Spectacled bears are excellent climbers and spend a significant amount of time in trees. They have strong forelimbs and flexible wrists, allowing them to climb trees with ease. They use their climbing ability to search for food, find shelter, and escape potential threats. Spectacled bears are skilled diggers. They use their powerful claws to dig burrows, which they use for shelter and protection. These burrows can be found in the ground or in dense vegetation, providing them with a safe place to rest and raise cubs. Spectacled bears mark their territories with scent markings, such as clawing trees and rubbing against objects. They use these scent markers to communicate with other bears and establish boundaries. Male spectacled bears have larger home ranges that overlap with those of several females. Spectacled bears are generally shy and tend to avoid human contact. They will often retreat and hide when they sense human presence or perceive a threat. This behavior makes it challenging to observe them in the wild and contributes to their elusive nature. Spectacled bears are capable swimmers. While they may not be as proficient in the water as some other bear species, such as polar bears, they are known to swim when necessary. Spectacled bears have been observed swimming across rivers and other bodies of water to access different habitats or search for food. Their ability to swim is facilitated by their strong limbs and relatively buoyant bodies. They can paddle with their front paws and use their hind legs for propulsion. However, their swimming style may not be as graceful or efficient as that of aquatic animals. Swimming is one of the ways spectacled bears can navigate their environment, particularly when they encounter obstacles like rivers or streams. It allows them to reach new areas or access resources that may be on the other side of water bodies. Spectacled bears have a primarily herbivorous diet, but they are also opportunistic omnivores. Their diet consists of a variety of plant materials, fruits, and other food sources. Spectacled bears consume a wide range of vegetation, including leaves, stems, and shoots. They feed on various plant species found in their habitat, utilizing the abundant plant resources available to them. Fruits form an important part of the spectacled bear's diet, especially during seasons when fruits are abundant. They feed on a variety of fruits, including berries, figs, cacti, and palm fruits. Spectacled bears have strong jaws and teeth that enable them to crush and consume fruits with hard exteriors. Spectacled bears have a unique dietary preference for bromeliad plants. They use their strong forelimbs and claws to tear apart the leaves of bromeliads and access the water-filled central cups, which contain insects and other small organisms. This behavior is particularly notable among spectacled bears and sets them apart from other bear species. Bamboo is an important food source for spectacled bears, especially in regions where it is abundant. They consume both the leaves and shoots of bamboo plants. Their strong jaws and teeth help them process the tough fibers of bamboo. While spectacled bears are predominantly herbivorous, they also opportunistically feed on insects, small mammals, birds, and carrion. These animal-based food sources may supplement their diet when available. Female spectacled bears reach sexual maturity around 3 to 4 years of age, while males reach sexual maturity a bit later, around 4 to 7 years. They do not have a specific breeding season. They are considered non-seasonal breeders, which means they can reproduce at any time throughout the year. During the breeding period, male spectacled bears may engage in courtship behaviors to attract a mate. These behaviors can include vocalizations, scent marking, and physical displays like pawing the ground or rubbing against trees. Spectacled bears are primarily solitary animals, and they do not form long-term pair bonds. Instead, they have a promiscuous mating system, where males and females come together solely for mating purposes and then go their separate ways. After successful mating, the female spectacled bear undergoes a gestation period of approximately 5 to 8 months. Cubs are typically born between November and February, although this can vary. Litters usually consist of 1 to 3 cubs, with twins being the most common. Female spectacled bears provide maternal care to their cubs. The cubs are born altricial, meaning they are relatively undeveloped and depend on their mother for nourishment and protection. The mother will nurse and care for her cubs for an extended period, typically between 1.5 to 2.5 years, until they become independent. Spectacled bears have a relatively long interbirth interval, which is the time between successive births. It can range from 2 to 3 years. This longer interval contributes to their slower population growth compared to other bear species. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.